Okay, so
Good job, Sophia.
What does Soph see at home? What's going on here?
Kristen, when are ready to
Oh, Kristen, no. Kristen, not your turn, honey. No. Give it to
Evan.
Give it to Evan.
That was some good swinging, Sophia.
yeah, stuff.
Who's next?
Evelyn's
Want
next.
to try, buddy?
And then Mookie will go.
Go ahead, you give it a hit.
Well, Kristen, step back.
Behind the white line.
Behind the white line.
You got her blind.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks, buddy.
Nice.
No, you wait.
Good job. Now we go to the bigger ones. Luke's turn.
Oh.
Wait for Evan to go all the way back.
Go, Luke.
Okay, baby.
No one's going to break it.
Go ahead, Luke.
Littler bat? Do you want the orange bat?
Aw. There you go.
No, we're gonna let the big kids hit it in a minute.
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Okay, now it's Christy's turn.
It's Wojo's turn.
One swing for you.
Christy.
Oh,
Kristen, step back, Kristen.
Stand back,
Wait, Christy, the
Make
kids are
sure
behind
they're
you.
back, don't.
Here, now
Christy, your turn,
Stand
Christy.
back, girl.
Yeah, you.
But watch you don't
wanna
hit the
break it.
kids yet. Yeah.
Stay back.
Oh!
It didn't break.